All right, good afternoon, everybody. This is Todd Mitchell. It is Wednesday, the 24th of January, and let's take a look at the two trades that I spoon-fed you guys yesterday. I was telling you, guys and girls, right? I was telling you about two trades, and they were both beautifully executed today. Look at VC, okay, the first one. Now remember, VC and American Express were really, really good trade setups, right? Both of those had pulled back beautifully into support, right? Got VC right here and American Express, right? Both of them created that inside vertical bar. Look at VC. We were looking to buy this. Remember what I said, 130.01 minimum. It has to trade up through 130.01. Take a look at where it's at now. Look, it made a high of 33.58. Not a bad trade. 3.5 points to the upside just on an intraday at the highest level. Okay, we're trading at 132.66 right now. Let's take a look at an intraday chart and see when that was executed. Because remember, we're looking for the market to trade up through it. So we're looking for a penetration of 130.01. Opened up at 128 even. Okay, let's just see. Let's look at an intraday. All right, look at this intraday chart. This is a 5-minute chart, folks. So we opened up on the low of the day pretty much at 128. The high of that bar was 130.06. The next bar pulled down to 129.29 and then traded back up to the 1. So basically, you were long right in here, right? Right there. So that's a nice trade. So we're still long this trade. Let's take a look at American Express. Right, American Express. We were looking to buy this above the prior day's high because it was an inside day or close to it. 98.50-ish, right? 98.50. Look at that. Went up to 98.42. The first 5 minutes went up to a 98.42 and then ran up. Look at that. That's just beautiful. Now, you see me talking about that trade all the time, the inside vertical bar, right? Now, like I say, you can use that with an intraday chart as well, right? So, look at this. Look at that 5-minute setup. Tell me that is not ridiculously perfect. Okay, let me take a look at that. Right here. So the market had a huge pullback, right? So the market ran up, made a high of 99.39, pretty much created a double top in here, failed, came down, all the way down. What is this again? About 100, is that a 100-day moving average? Yeah, it's a 100-day moving average. Came right down, created this inside vertical bar. You see that? Look at that high. The high is substantially lower than this high here. The low is higher than the low. Take a look. So you'd be looking at about 98.51 buying it, opened up 98. I mean, look at this. Not bad. Almost a full point back to the upside. So again, let's put that back on a daily chart. And again, the trade setups were beautiful, right? So we had almost two inside vertical bars here, right? And then on VC, perfect, right back up through it. So that's a nice trade. So we're pretty much, I took half of my profits off the table today. I still got half of my position, and I'm pretty much a little higher than break even. So if the market were to reverse tomorrow, I'd make a little bit of money on the second half of the position. But the first half, very nice. Take a look at gold. Now go back to yesterday's video and listen to what I had to say about what I thought gold was going to do. I said yesterday that the market should test this high. Okay, look at this. Market opened up and boom, right? So as the market sold off today pretty hard, gold moved higher, right? It's pretty much almost opposite, right? So gold's up. So we've been long gold for quite a while, actually, as you know, if you've been listening to these videos long enough rather. So Amazon, again, an all-time new high today, and Amazon at 1388, getting close to 1400. Nvidia, again, a new high today, but again, kind of a reversal, possible. Well, when I say reversal, I'm talking very, very, very short term. This is a very strong stock, and quite frankly, I think Nvidia is going to be much, much, much higher in the next couple of years. I mean, Nvidia is the stock, okay? But look at today, outside bar, pretty much the opposite of an inside bar, right? So where the inside vertical bar contracts, the outside vertical bar expands, right? So an outside takes out the prior bar's high or the prior candle's high and the prior candle's low. And it looks like we're probably going to close in the bottom quarter, bottom third here, which would lead me to believe that we would probably get a couple days down before resuming back up, right? So this is potential short-term reversal, okay? Google, again, look at that. Google. I mean, look at these techs, right? Amazon, Nvidia, Google. Twitter's been down. We've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've had 6 consecutive lower highs and lower lows. So it's about time for this to start bouncing a little bit. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in a row with lower highs and lower lows each day. And 2-bar RSI well under 10, below this moving average, but above the 100. We're at a spot, and if you take a look at these highs, if I could use, if we draw this straight across, and draw this straight across, this area in here should act as support, right? And so we're down in that area right now. So I would expect the market to bounce. So I am going to go ahead and put Twitter up in here. I've been long Twitter quite a while. Actually, I've been long Twitter since down in here, 16 and change. Okay, so probably I'm gonna add more. So if you don't have a position in Twitter, I would look to definitely start buying some Twitter. I like Twitter. Let's see, Netflix. I mean, Netflix, just crazy, huh? All right, I'm gonna let you all go. If you have not listened to, haven't listened to the crypto videos that Dr. Reed and I are putting out, I definitely suggest you listen to those. We've got 7 in total, and today today's Wednesday, so the 3rd and 4th are being released today. Have a great one. Bye for now.